So second day here. Now we're going to the waterfalls called Bajing Waterfalls or Squirrel Waterfall. I don't know how long from here, but let's see.
This trip sponsored by Orange Water. You see 1,100 milligram of vitamin C. How many milligram of you had today? Healthy inside, fresh outside.
Like me.
Like me.
Mas ngomong. Also sponsored by Fit.
Pria punya selera.
So for this trip now, we upgrade our vehicles. Yeah, we upgrade our vehicles for all of us is in one car. This is the upgrade. Yeah, everyone got to the back seat. I just got to the front one, so it's okay. Maybe I'll just switch right there. It's kind of cool though. And here's our driver. So this one, we're now at the waterfall, but this one is just a teaser. It's quite nice actually. There's the restroom. I'm not waiting for a bit. Queuing, this one.
We were here, yeah. We were here with this, what we call it,
Pickup truck.
pickup trucks, and then the road is very
Bumpy.
Oke, rekam dong ini. Aku mau ngomong. Aku mau disuruh sama siang. Saya dari desa
Bahasa Inggris dong.
Sukamaju.
Yeah.
Desa. Dari desa Sukamaju.
Sukarmaju.
Sukamaju.
Sukar.
Di desa ini konon banyak gadis-gadis yang dikirim ke luar negeri untuk dipekerjakan. Mari kita wawancara dari salah satu dari mereka. Selamat siang, Mbak.
Siang.
Bagaimana perasaan?
Namanya siapa dulu dong?
Namanya siapa?
Siapa ya?
Mawar, bukan nama sebenarnya.
Bunga.
Melati.
Oke, bagaimana kesan-kesannya? Bagaimana? Kenapa Anda bisa terlibat dalam kasus penjualan human trafficking ini?
Saya dianiaya di rumah. Saya butuh uang.
Oke, kita wawancara gadis-gadis yang lainnya. Selamat siang, Mbak.
Trauma.
Ternyata trauma masa kecil sangat menyakitkan bagi para gadis-gadis ini. Mereka harus berkorban, mereka harus bekerja demi keluarga mereka yang tercinta.
Demi kepuasan masing-masing.
Kami melaporkan dari
PKP.
Desa Sukamaju. Kembali ke studio.
Video apa?
Studio.
Dia bokep. Now heading to the waterfall a little bit.
Belum foto rame-ram.
Ticket entrance like at 3,000 IDR. Says like 400 meters to get to waterfalls. Let's see. And the weather is kind of cool. Oh wow, that's cool. Look at that. Big waterfalls. Musoto?
Mau ke sini.
lost night in here.
Last Christmas, give you my heart.
So we will go back to Jakarta in an hour and a half. Take the train to get back there, and we'll be there around like 1 a.m. in the morning. And back to reality. Yeah. This could stay longer though. So I'm on the train, but the thing is like the bad thing is already split up. The train already moving, and some people are still on the way to get here, to get to the train station actually. So yeah, it's too bad actually to see that. The thing is because like they already bought the ticket as well, but they couldn't manage the time to get it here. So.